Hey, welcome to another Pocket Beats video. As usual, here's what is on the pads. This is a jazz drum solo that's going to be layered with the drums that I usually use, and then we've got something from, the previous video. Okay, I'll let you just have a listen to it, and then I'm going to bring in the effects. First up is number 14, re-trig. This is actually my favorite effect. It seems to be the one that works the smoothest and the most consistently, and I use it to fill in gaps and add interesting stuff to the rhythm. Using it as a kind of like manual looper, followed by the really fast like machine gun looper, I think was pretty cool. Try it again. So close, you just gotta make sure that you turn it off before the downbeat. Scratch effect on 11. I really like that, especially if you line it up with the snare drum. The reverse effect on 15 is a little more challenging to line up correctly with the beat, so I use it, but it feels a little risky. The loopers on 1 and 2, which are a bit slower, are leaving gaps in this pattern for some reason, I don't know why. And then we have the unison effects and the octave up and octave down. And here we have the stutter effects, which chop up the pattern with silence, which works okay. And then we've got the 6/8 groove thing, which I think is super cool. A note on the stutter, it chops the sample up with silence in those little gaps, and so it sounds really harsh. So on the final track that you're hearing, there's some reverb. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it.